Hey, I wanted to do a video on the strobe blink submenu. I've gotten some questions on how I set mine up to strobe. Right now I'm in group 2 of the light, you can see, which only has the one mode, which is high. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change this from a constant to a strobe. You can also change it to a beacon, which is something useful. Say if you were out in the woods, wanted to conserve battery life, wanted the light to flash so maybe somebody could spot you at night or something like that. And then there's also a double pulse blink, which blinks different brightnesses. Kind of similar to the beacon, but it's more of a constant on. But anyway, so to go from constant brightness to the strobe, what you would do is you tap 8 times to get into the programming, then tap 4 times to get into the strobe blink menu. And then from there, an additional tap will do a constant, 2 taps will do a strobe, 3 taps will do a beacon, and then 4 will do the double pulse blink. So what we're going to do is change it from a constant to a strobe. So what we'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can see it's in programming, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll put us in the blink strobe menu, and then 1, 2, we'll change it to a strobe. So now we've gone from having a constant on to a strobe. So every time we turn this on now, it's going to go into strobe mode. We can also change it to a beacon, same way except for 3 taps instead of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 to get into the strobe blink menu. And then 1, 2, 3 will put us in beacon. And like I said, this is going to just flash 1 time every 4 seconds. Just kind of a, hey, I need to be seen at night, but I don't want to waste my battery kind of thing. Now to get back to constant brightness, you'll go into the strobe blink menu and then just do 1 tap after you get into that menu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 brings us into the strobe blink menu, and then 1. That's going to be a constant brightness. So you'll see we're back just to the light coming on constant instead of one of the strobes or beacons or blinks. Anyway, if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks. Bye.